Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we have, I think there are 12 knives from Kizer. I was so confused when I got this box. I have never received this. I'm literally having to break that box up into 3 different videos. That's how many things they sent me. So obviously you guys are going to benefit from this. I didn't get any warning, but I'm going to give the vast majority of this stuff away on a live stream, which is something that I do every single weekend. So if you needed a reason to subscribe to my channel and my charming voice and personality wasn't doing it for you, how about free stuff? Everybody likes free stuff. So yeah, for sure. I get a lot of it, but this is an interesting one for sure, like the actual model. And there's a lot of variety here. While this is all the same knife, the variety is absolutely epic. Thank you so much to Kizer for sending this stuff in. I have no idea when I'm uploading this video. I will try and time it when this stuff releases. Given the snowflakes, I'm guessing the season is down the road a bit, so who knows. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I'm going to try and not make a mess of this. And I'm going to also kind of try to start off with some of the less crazy ones right off the bat. Yeah, so what we have here is a mini Militaw, but also a mini Militaw that has materials that would suggest a fantastic price tag. Ooh, boy. Oh, we got Militaw specific boxes. If you guys didn't know, the Militaw is potentially my favorite model that Kizer has ever done. Gosh, you guys, this is nice. The festive boxes, but God, what a mess. It's already like, you know, crazy every time I open something from Kizer. All right. Yep. This is going to make a lot of people happy. That's going to work. Oh boy. The Militaw's a great model, right? But because now we have an option for Nitro V, and in this case, it looks like some, you know, generic OD Green G10 and the micarta here. You can get this knife the size that you want, and you can also get it for far. My voice cracked. Oh God, I really want to edit that, but I'm going to leave it in so that you guys can laugh at this 37-year-old man whose voice still cracks when he gets excited about pocket knives. Anyways, next up here we've got, this one came with a little extra thing there. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the piece of paper. The next one up here is, I think, pretty much essentially the same thing. It's just in a different color scheme. Now, if you're thinking that I'm just going to continue to open up only budget mini Militaws, there are some special ones in there. So we're going to get to them for sure, but I'm going to try and get through these fairly quickly. Oh, okay, so we got the reverse. We got the black and we got the green. Fantastic. I'm guessing that these will come in at essentially budget pricing, which is really great. Oh, now this is a different yet. This must be a super duper budget version because this one has a D2 blade. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember Kizer using much D2, at least not recently. If they have, then maybe that was a while back. Oh, do we have some orange in here? We got some, it's more of the outdoorsy look. It's more of like a coyote and OD green. That's fine. We have a D2 blade suggesting that this one will be even less expensive. That's fantastic. I love that. Moving on here. Really trying to keep all this stuff together because it ends up being a mess. The messiest uploads I do are always Kizer's. Now this one here, we'll break it up a bit. This one is S45VN, titanium and carbon fiber. So this is a premium mini Militaw. Not the only one, but I thought it might be nice to break it up just a bit and get this one out here. We have, okay. All right, so this one's a frame lock. It's important to point out that the other ones have all been, whoa. Holy moly, okay, we got some stuff going on there. I don't know what's going on here. That's interesting. Titanium pocket clip. Obviously, we have the carbon fiber inlays. We have the sub frame lock, or you know, whatever you want to call that, right? I'm going to call it a sub frame lock. And then we have a satin finished S45EN blade. My guess is this is also priced reasonably, not budget, obviously, but as far as like a premium knife goes, it's probably pretty competitive. Moving on here, we've got, okay, so here we go. Here's one that I don't, like the OD green and stuff is fine. It's fine, but I want to see a little bit more color. I want to see a little bit more, a louder color, not so much an earthy color, because I just enjoy. Okay, this is much louder. Then we got the 80s. Come on, why is it? What kind of tape is this? We got the 80s camo carbon. Is that what this is? Oh my gosh, what a mess! I'm not going to sit here and say that I love this color combo. This looks like it looks like sour gummy worms, right? Now, if you look at this and you're like, oh yeah, I'm all about that, then knock yourself out, right? Because this is a Nitro V and G10, and this actually isn't camo carbon. It's like a gummy worm G10 Mascus. Like I don't even know what to call it. What does it say on the box here? Party streamers G10. Okay, party streamers. Yeah, sure, party streamers. That's interesting. That's definitely not what I was expecting. But hey, the idea here is variety. And you gotta love variety, right? You can just get the version of it that you want. Okay, so this is different yet. Oh my gosh, they really did. At some point, it wasn't necessarily just me, but I think there were a lot of different reviewers saying things like, yeah, they should make as many different versions of these as they can. And Kizer was like, okay. we will literally make all of the versions at the same time. Oh boy, what the heck is going on? This is kind of neat. It's kind of weird, right? We get the... Oh, God, you guys got me saying it now, too. We got the PP Ultim. PP. We got the PP Ultim, and we got some kind of G10 Mascus sitting in there as well. What do they call this? They call this Wait. Am I missing something, or is this actually a term for Ultim? PEI. If this isn't, it's really funny because they found a way to just laugh with us, right? P and Damascus G10. Oh my God, Kizer. Maybe it is like some technical term that I'm just not aware of, but it's either way, it's funny, right? That the technical term would be that close. Next up, okay, maybe this will be. So far, we've had 0 of what I would refer to as plain maybe these two were kind of the tamest at the beginning. So this one, it said something about black acrylic and Nitro V. Oh my God, this stuff is going to be in my office forever. But we'll make fun Christmas gifts from me to you guys, for sure. Very festive. Okay, that is cool. Yeah, I do like that, actually. In fact, I really like this material as an inlay because it's not the main support material, right? And it's fine. It works just fine for a pocket knife, but it looks way cooler to have it laid in. And then we've got some holes underneath, right? So you can kind of see through it. That's actually really neat. This is a Nitro V G10 and acrylic combination. So that's cool. I like that. The fact that this stuff can be dyed or changed, to be different colors. I'm not sure why companies haven't started to do that yet. I mean, Kizer has a little bit, but doing something like this and making it different colors like red or green or blue, purple, that's a really good idea. So I'm glad that they're at least working with this material. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, moving on to the next one here. We still have a few to go, guys. Okay, so that's a special one. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I think this is a tamer one again. Let's find out. Long video for all for one, but I gotta show these off. I'm just curious. Yeah, this is a tame one, right? We can get through this one pretty quick. Pretty tame. What is this? Got little chevrons in the G10 inlay. Okay, that's fine. How does this operate versus the full-size Militaw? Not quite as easy, but still, like, for a small knife, incredibly easy. It's hard to beat the full-size Militaw in terms of ease of manipulation, just because of how it's designed. But for a smaller knife, it's very wieldy. I guess. Oh, that's a real special boy. I didn't even know that one was in there. Okay, so here we go. We got 2 plain ones left, and then I got 2 special ones left. And I really want to save those for the end. So this one here, I'm not even going to read the box. I'm just going to go for it. Oh, we have some kind of wood. Okay, yeah. Fine, not my favorite, right? We got my Carta and wood if you like old things. I was so dismissive. If you're really into things that look like they're fading away, if you like the look of time-worn things, then, I mean, some people do. That's actually not even funny. Absolutely. Wait, do we have 3 special ones? We do. We got 3 special ones left. Surprise. Okay. So this is S45VN, and probably titanium. Probably. I mean, honestly, like, the combination of lower-end frame materials and higher-end blade steels would be pretty cool. Ooh. We got some gold tie and carbon fiber here. Oh, now, hey! Holy crap, this is awesome. Wow, I love this. What's this? Wow, hold on. God dang it, where did that box go? Here it is. What the heck? Zirconium! Oh, Kizer! Oh, God! That is epic! Titanium and zirconium with S. That is freaking beautiful. Wow. No way. Look at that. Textured polished zirconium inlays. Oh my God. I love that. Man, what a sick knife. I just about cut myself. What a sick knife. Wowzers. Holy moly. That's not what I was expecting to be in there. That's incredibly nice. I'm going to move these over to make room for this special baby here. There we go. Real nice there. Okay. Moving on. I'm going to save that one. We got another one in S45VN and titanium. It says something like jungle something or other carbon fiber. So I have an idea. Okay, plain Jane. We got the plain tie, and we got the, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Kind of almost like an acid washed. Yeah, S45VN. We got that jungle carbon fiber. Cool. Yeah, for people who want the premium stuff, but you don't want anything, incredibly flashy. I guess to some people that would be flashy. And then the last one here is actually an M390. Well, of course, this material. It has to be the wildest one, right? Okay. We got. I gotta be honest. This stuff, I kind of like it. Not everybody's gonna like it. Oh, of course, we got the shiny DLC. So this is shiny DLC or satin DLC M390 with the 80s camo carbon, right? Looks like an episode of Rugrats. Holy crap! Or like 90s Nickelodeon, late 90s Nickelodeon is what that makes me think of. Yeah, obviously super duper nice. I gotta be honest though. The winner here of the bunch is definitely this guy, Kizer. You guys are working with zirconium. I'm never gonna forget this. I hope you have a crap load of stuff planned with zirconium, because you've just shown me 3 things. Number 1, you've shown me that you are willing to work with zirconium. Number 2, you've shown me that you're willing to contour and texture the zirconium. Did I say number 3 second? Okay, so number 2 third. You are willing to polish it. Yeah, I'm expecting a lot from you guys in 2025. That is pretty intense. These are all really cool. I will probably keep that one, but I will give the rest of these away, right? You gotta let me keep one. People getting mad at me. Go give that away. I'll give the rest of them away. These are cool. This was fun. Okay, 15-minute unboxing, guys. Obviously, the mini Militaw will get its own review. This is just an unboxing today. I will link these down in the description. You guys can check them out if you want. I have no idea when they'll be available, how much, or anything like that. Because at the time of this recording, I don't have any of the pricing, right? If you want to know when I recorded it, go look at the date on the pinned comment. This video is, a lot of people are always confused by that. All my content's pre-recorded. Some of it is a week pre-recorded. Some of it's a month pre-recorded, 2 months. It just depends, right? So while it's sitting unlisted, I can do things like leave comments and pin them and schedule the video well before anybody sees it. So if you're confused by that, that's why, right? But if it gives you an idea of when I'm recording it, there you go. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.